when you've put your clip over your timeline, for me it's a subscribe, but you can do whatever you want. And you want to click Fusion, go up here on search, you search for Delta. And here you have the Delta key, and you want to place that between the media in or media out. And here, use background color. You click on that, and you pick screen color. There we go. Click OK. And now it looks like this. And if you have a more like transparent picture, you want to click on matte, and you adjust this until all the gray on the black it gets rid of, and all the gray on white on this end. And then you click on final result, and you're done. And this is the result. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. A huge shout out to RoboPigs and also Maze Cal Tech for subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.